Ne smeš da budeš ovde. Ovo je zona zapadnih portala. Postoje pravila koja se ponekad ponavljaju na čudan način.
Ej, kuda idu ovi ljudi? Ko su ovi ljudi?
Dobro, polako, ljudi. Sve okej, sve u redu.
No. What's up here?
Please, come on, join us. Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Yes.
And when did you arrive here?
1 year. I come to Iran to Turkish, Bulgaria, and Serbia.
And how long you've been on the road?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
And 1 year you're here in Serbia.
Yes.
And 1 year you've been on the road to Serbia.
Yes.
Oh my God.